Christmas Day tornado going through Mobile.
Okay, I see it now.
Oh my God, look, that's a tornado. Oh wow. Oh Jesus, look at that tornado. Oh my God, that's cool. Jesus, please keep your hands on whoever's over there. Look at them, that's like 2 tornadoes. It's 2 funnels on the ground. Oh Lord. Look at there. Wow. Oh. Oh my God, look at that. Look, there's another one. It's fixing to touch down, baby. We're fixing to have to get in the bathroom. It's coming towards us. Oh wow, check that tornado out. It's been on the ground now for over a minute. Oh dear Jesus. Huh.
All those transformers blowing.
Wow. Look at that. Dear Jesus, please keep your hands on my sister and her family.
Where are they today?
Oh Lord. Look at that tornado, honey.
I see the tornado. Where's your family today? Where's Rhonda's family today?